Hi, good afternoon, good night, whatever time it might be on your side of the globe. Now, in today's video, we're going to go over some of the things that you should keep in mind when you're downloading any application on your phone. Currently, I'm using the Samsung Ultra 2022, and I should say it's an amazing platform to use as a personal computer, personal phone. I call it my computer. It acts as if it's a computer. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to look at some of the things that you should keep in mind when downloading any application. Now, if you're not aware of the platform, it is supported by Android, which is slightly different from, or greatly different from Apple. Now, in order to download any application on your phone, you have to be signed up through your email address, which currently I think I'm using my Gmail account. So we're going to go over to Play Store, as you can see here. Tap on it. Now, currently it's connected to my Gmail. That's why you can see the icon that's above of a dog. Now, these are the recommended apps that you can download on your phone, but I would not pay that much attention unless you are going to need these on your phone. Over a period of time, if you download many applications, it will slow down the processing speed of your phone. Even though the space of the phone might be about how much? Let me just check. Now, the space of my phone is about 500. The storage. Let me just go to the storage and show you. The storage, backup account, yes. Now, this is about 512 gigabytes, which is big. So let me just go back over. So it's important that you're aware of the storage space, because the bigger your storage space, the easier you can download applications, and the better it runs over a period of time. However, I wouldn't recommend downloading a lot of applications on your phone, even though you have a large space on your phone. So say that you want to download an application. It's very important that you keep in mind the remarks or the stars on that application. It shows that the application is reputable. Now, this is 4.7, which means good. And I believe this is out of 5. So 4.7 out of 5, 4.3, good. 4.3, good. 4.5, good. Meta Business, this is for Facebook, good. Creator Studio 4.5. So keep in mind now 3.5, it's going down, which means that not many people are recommending that app. Okay, so you can go across. Cut Video. This is an editing application that you can use it if you're producing TikTok videos. So you go through. Now, say that we'd like to have an app by the name of, let me just see. If you're in business, I'm going to put the word business. Now, on typing the word business from the beginning, you'll get a few options which you can choose based on the recommended status of each app. So as you can see, bus game, bus business, WhatsApp business, simulator, bus, wallet game. Now, these are all recommended based on the few characters that we have typed up. They will give you the result based on what people have placed in prior to your search, which is good. So say that we want to go and we want to download the business WhatsApp. No, let's forget the business WhatsApp. Let's go to Business Simulator. Let's go to the... On tapping on that, you're going to get many apps which are congruent with the title that you have typed in. So Business Simulator 2023, you have this one. And in general, these apps have ads inside. Now, what you can do, you can look at the ratings, which is 4.2, 10 million plus download. Ooh, 10 million. Oh, damn, that's a lot. 100 million, sorry. Now here, this is 4.3, 10 million, 3.8. So you go through, look at the app that you would like based on the rating and based on the number of download. That's very important, because if the app has a very low rating and a low score, for example, 4.1, 10,000 download, I'd avoid downloading this application so that it doesn't, slow your phone based on what recommendation people have made over the period of time. And you can do that over and over for an app. If you want to download an app that helps you to scan PDF looking files, you can write scan the first 3 or 4 letters of the word, and by default Google search app will help you to find an app which is close to what you're looking for. So I've typed in this SCAN, scan. Then these options pop up. So scanner app, scanner app free. These are all options. I can tap on one and see. Now this goes specific to a application. This has been downloaded 50 million times, reviews 1 million. So this seems to be a very amazing app that you can download. You just have to go and tap on install. Furthermore, you can tap on rating to see what's happening. You can tap on editing choice, and you can read the comments of what people have said over the period of time of using this application. And keep in mind, there's an app purchase. So that means they're going to be having ads being run on their platform. And you do that over and over. You just scroll down, look for any application that you're looking for by the initial characters of the word, and you scroll down to see the recommendation, the number of times it has been downloaded, in order to get an idea, the recommendation and the strength of that application in order to accomplish your goals, whether personal or business. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. It goes great for the algorithm of my platform. Hope to chat with you in the next one. Marlon McLeod with you on Show Me How. Thank you and bye.